Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well today.
It's Friday.
It's Friday.
And you know what I call this? Date day.
Date day. So we go from all these sweaty videos to now we're wearing a vest, long sleeves. Today is hurricane day.
It got cold, rainy.
56 degrees for the high today. And 50 mile an hour winds, 3 inches of rain today.
Yeah. So
we're going shopping.
Yeah. They say that there's some estate sales today. So we're going to go see if they're still having them. We don't know. If not, we got some spots we can hit up.
Honey holes.
Honey holes.
Honey holes.
Yeah. I think it's going to be a good day. I think we'll find some good stuff, don't you?
We're going to find some good stuff today.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun. It's an adventure.
Always. So let's see what we can do.
Let's go get it.
This lady just asked me about that wood to the gazebo.
Glass. Egg. Oh, wow. He wants to see some fish and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know if y'all told everything's 50% off, so
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome.
So far I've got this little book. Everything is 50% off, so gonna get that. How do you feel about these?
I love them. Fly rods. Old. Interesting.
Some jewelry.
Good stuff.
Little bracelet. That jewelry.
Right, I'm about 30 minutes from Faithful. Okay, all right, thank you.
I'm gonna head to this next room and see what they got. I see some paper. I have so much sheet music right now. A lot of it there, though. I'm trying to see if there's anything else in this stack. Christmas. Smith & Wesson.
Black Ops
So
knife
it'll
would
be
be $250.
$250,
I'll put them in a pile.
Yeah, and actually I want this tree skirt.
Of course.
It'll be $2.50. That's great. Christmas is coming. This is neat. Beaded basket.
Printer up at front table. She's got the whole corner here.
She just got her stuff up, and then that other, she can get that other stuff in. I don't know if that's her here or not.
Music.
I knew they'd go, some crafter come in and make it.
The, they'll tell a dollar on this, $1 on this, so I guess 2 and 2 to make it 50% off.
Let's say wood, how many pieces of wood?
3 pieces.
Okay.
50 cents on that one. Dollars on that. Deals and.
Okay. And another piece of wood for 50 cents.
Some dolls.
Right, or is it 2 pieces? Oh, well, how
2
many
pieces
pieces
and $1, 1 or 2.
Gotcha.
Before I walked in this room, I picked up this Patagonia. They've got it marked $30, but everything's half off today, so $15. I think I'm gonna get that size large, so that's a great size. I'm about to look at some Christmas stuff. Christmas. Oh my, look at these puzzles. In the past, I've picked up quite a bit of puzzles. Oh, that's so cute. I like this. It doesn't have a price on it, so I'm going to get them to price it. It's a little straightening out. I can do that. Yeah, I like that. Those little guys, those Santas, I like those. I might get those. So I got the 2 Santas over there, Scott. Yeah. And there was 2 Santas and there was a wall hanging, which they're going to price for me.
Okay.
This is neat. I mean, it's Farm Bureau, but it's appears to be leather.
Yeah.
So it'd be $10. I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to look high and low because they've got stuff on the floor.
New books.
What kind of hat did you pick up? I didn't even.
That's a fishing.
A fishing hat, okay. Yeah.
The old one.
I saw it laying there. That's a really neat box right there. Let's go down the hall. What?
This an aviation hat.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
There's several of them here.
What are they marked? $3?
Flame retardant. I
So
bet it's,
they'd be-
it's a welding.
A welding it. You want to look those up?
Yeah.
Because they're only $3. They'd be $1.50, so those would be some good ones. Check out this hat. I wonder if it's got any thing on the inside. I don't see see anything. No name brand or anything.
There's no brand. King comforter. What we got in here? Always get to the dark rooms. I got a couple safes in here that would be a good deal for somebody, being half price. Sleeping bag. Look at this safe. That's an old one. They must have had a locksmith come open it. That's a good one. What do we got? Yeah, all kinds of stuff under there. Pocketbooks, assortments. This is cool. Different. Very different. That's good. Did you check out any of these purses or anything? We need one of these for our office chairs.
Probably.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah, I would take it. It's a good support. That's all. There's a purse behind me and purse here. Oh, it's a thermos. Wonder what they're gonna do with all this stuff after it don't sell. Wonder if that's hand truck for sale.
I don't think so.
I would use it. I'd be like, how much is the hand truck? I bet it is. The tires are flat on it. That little chair is cool. That is screaming 1970s for $5.
It actually is very cute.
That is a very cute chair.
Look at this chair. Oh, that is nice. Where can we put it?
Oh, we could find a spot, I'm sure.
Get on that thing and ride it. Scott, let's go. Get on it. The tire's flat.
Yeah,
I'm sure they'll pump it up for you.
that's what they all say.
I don't see anything out here in this garage that I can't live without.
Fat Daddy told me underneath that thing.
I mean,
If I roll it up on my trailer, how much trouble are they have?
I did like these, but I think, they don't have like a major name on them or anything, so these oil cans, I think I'm gonna leave them. Anything in here you can't live without?
No, like that old chainsaw, that's probably a good one.
I might do another walkthrough through the house before we leave, and we might wrap it up.
Yeah.
It's been okay. They are.
The car, $21,000, 1935 Ford convertible.
What is it?
1935 Ford convertible.
Half off today.
Yeah, everything's half off today. That's what they said.
No, that's an expensive price there. You know. We actually had 200 on it. We brought it down to 125. We thought somebody snatched something.
That's not him right there.
Hey there. Sure. Can I get you to move? I got somebody coming up loads and stuff. If you could pull up there.
Okay, so I know there's some DeVilba stuff in here. How do you feel about it?
They're too high, but I mean, that's the
So
original.
it'd be $15.
This is the original gun they made back in the 70s. I sold these things for years, so I know them well. This is the NBC, that's the JGA. This is the JGA.
So you're passing on this?
I'll have to. Yeah. Hey guys, we are back home.
Yes, we are.
Wet and rainy day.
Yeah.
People are scared to open up a new business.
Yeah. We only made it to one estate sale. We went to a couple of other places that we wanted to go to.
Closed.
They were closed due
Closed.
to inclement weather. It's only raining here. We're in North Carolina. There's nothing going on here,
Yeah.
but they closed anyway. So,
Slight breezes.
Yeah.
And a steady rain.
So anyway, there was only one other estate sale that we would have considered, and it was a pretty good distance away. So we just didn't go there. After we'd already driven to 2 other places and they were closed, we just called it a day.
Yeah.
But the one estate sale we went to, I mean, we had a lot of luck there.
Yeah, it was good. It was really good.
I'm really glad we went there.
Yep.
Really glad we went there. I think what we're going to do is do a separate video, a haul video. We like to do that because we want to show you guys like what we got, why we got it,
Yep.
how many items we got, what we spent, why.
Describing the why.
Exactly.
Describe
exactly.
the why.
So if you like those kinds of videos, just check out the next video. You can see everything in detail. We'll tell all the whys.
Yeah, it's going to have some good stuff. It's going to have some bolo items that you're
Yes,
going to
oh my
want to
gosh.
pay attention to.
We can name a couple of names.
Oh, yeah.
Patagonia,
Yep.
Surreal,
Yep.
Pin, what is it?
Pin reels, fishing reels, saltwater
fishing-
reels.
Yeah, just all kinds of stuff. I mean, yeah, tons of stuff. So check out the next video. And we'll go into detail about everything we got today. I wish there was more, but like we said, everybody, we were ready to go, y'all.
Yeah, we made the most of it though.
Yeah,
we
we
had
did.
fun. It was a good day.
We did have fun. We checked out a new restaurant for lunch. It's great.
Big boy got his belly full again.
So anyway, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, all the good
All
things.
of the above. Yeah.
All the good things.
Ring that bell.
And we will see you next time.
See you guys.